Do you want to play Roblox on PC, but don't know which version is better? In this video, I'll show you the two official ways to install Roblox on Windows, and which one you should choose. Both methods are 100% free, safe, and official. No emulators, no mods, no fake files. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one works best for your PC. Step 1. Open your browser and go to roblox.com. Step 2. Log in or create a free account. Step 3. Click any game, then press the green play button. Step 4. When prompted, download and install Roblox Player. Why choose this version? Faster updates. Better performance. Works with all Roblox features. Method 2. Roblox from the Microsoft Store. Step 1. Open the Microsoft Store on your PC. Step 2. Search for Roblox. Step 3. Click Install. Why choose this version? One-click install. Auto updates. Easier for beginners. My recommendation. Use the website version for the best performance if Roblox doesn't open. Restart your PC. Run Roblox as administrator. Check your firewall. Now you know both official ways to play Roblox on PC. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more real tech fixes.